we don't run enough experiments, I believe. I believe since I've been running a lot more experiments, I've been able to learn, hey, what's working and what's not. I'm running an experiment now. I started in February, and we're in still in the month of February. Every Monday, I drop two episodes. And why do I drop two episodes? Is because I really wanted to see. I was seeing a like people were really locked in between 12 and 6, and then there was another group of people that were 9 to almost to like 11 p.m. So I was like, well, I want to take care of both audience. I want to over deliver and provide more value. So this is why I'm running an experiment for the month of February and saying, okay, every Monday you guys will get two episodes, full length episodes of the show, because of the fact of I really believe that if someone is taking time out to show you love, to watch your videos, at the minimum you can do is just over deliver. So I hope that I'm over delivering for you guys. So what I'm saying is basically is run many experiments, whether in your professional life as well as your personal life. Professionally, one of the things that I'm running experiments on is meetings.